Within the Woodwork by Joey John Maguire. My past within the shadows haunts, the woodwork creaks, endures the strain, my ears deafened by the taunts from those who cue to cause me pain. And me, a timid, frightened mortal, whose minor crimes they now expose, my wish to give my all in total through my love and rambling prose. From under cover, ears listen, lips pursed, sealed to freeze, wicked minds, knife-like glisten, plot to see me on my knees. Take no notice, friends console, jealousy is not worth heed, goodness reigns and conquers evil, all hail Joey, plant your seed. Too late now to dodge the issue, how the violet longs to shrink, the woodwork takes the strain that cripples, shoulders vitriolic stink. So now my adversaries heed, the violet stands and shall not bow, the wizened beams of aged timber, house you then, defend me now.